Yesterday I took a break from recording, and today I'm feeling so much better and so much nicer. It is like 7:30 in the morning. Yeah, 7:20 in the morning as I'm recording this, and I have to say, I could finally I was able to read, books like this thing. So there's this book called Healing Gems and Crystals by Daya Sarai Chokoron. I mean, you could tell that she's a foreigner, but it's just so healing gems and crystals. No, yeah, as much as anybody would say, what is this? Is that the fact is, when you read a book like this, you realize that crystals are something that we don't create, right? It's not man-made. It comes from the earth. They are like poems from the earth. So. Uh, this book in particular explains in great detail about color. How every crystal kind of, since it gets a certain color from it's all naturally formed, right? So that color corresponds with the, there is this belief, right, the seven chakras of the body. So it is very, no, yeah, look at this. I know I sound like bit loony, but it works. Yeah, I mean, from a very science perspective, because even the watch that you wear has quartz in it. Quartz as in tiny crystals, because they help with the electromagnetic induction conduction, I don't know, but yeah, it's science, because the mineral kingdom that is made up of rocks and all is the lowest form of life, they say. So basically I have all living beings with me. You see, I love animals and love beings of all variations. But really, so do try and read this, people. I doubt if you find it on Amazon, but yeah, y'all can try, or basically any book on crystal healing. It's called Healing Gems and Crystals. So it's already 2-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.